Welcome to the Number Lab. Today's mission, dividing fractions by fractions.
Sounds tricky, right? But there's a strategy that helps, if you know why it works.
You mean that keep, change, flip thing?
We don't just use tricks here, we understand them. Keep, change, flip works because dividing by a fraction is the same as multiplying by its reciprocal. That means flipping it upside down. Let's see how it works.
If you have 3/4 of a cup of flour and each muffin uses 2/3 of a cup, how many muffins can you make?
Keep 3/4. Now change division to multiplication, flipping 2/3 to 3/2. Now, 3/4 times 3/2 equals 9/8, which equals 1 1/8. You can make one full muffin and a little more.
You have 5/6 of a liter of juice. If each glass holds 1/2 liter, how many glasses can you fill?
Let's solve it together. Keep 5/6. Change division to multiplication. Flip 1/2 to 2/1. So 5/6 times 2/1 equals 10/6 equals 1 2/3. So that's one full glass and most of a second.
How many 2/5 meter boards can you cut from a 1 meter plank?
Try this one. Keep, change, flip, go! 1/1 times 5/2 equals 5/2, which is also 2 1/2. How many boards? 2 full ones and part of a third.
Finn's water tank holds 2 gallons. His scoop can hold 3/5 of a gallon at a time. How many scoops will he need to fill the tank completely?
You try this one on your own. Hint, change 2 to a fraction. 2/1 times 5/3 equals 10/3 equals 3 1/3. So you need just over 3 scoops.
A recipe calls for 3/4 cup of sugar. You have 1.5 cups. How many batches can you make?
One last challenge. Turn 1 1/2 to 3/2. Now, 3/2 divided by 3/4 equals 3/2 times 4/3 equals 12/6 equals 2. You can make exactly 2 batches.
Divide fractions, flip the second one, multiply straight across. That flip is called a reciprocal, and that's why it works.
Oops! Don't forget to change the division sign before flipping. Rewind! Whoosh! Correct it to 3/4 times 3/2, which equals 9/8.
Keep the first fraction. Change division to multiplication. Flip the second fraction. That's the reciprocal. Multiply and simplify.